Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track atomic habits in Notion template. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track atomic habits in Notion template, all you can do and go is simply use a pre-made template that is via your Notion itself. Simply go to your Notion marketplace. Once you have viewed your Notion marketplace, you can simply get logged into your account. And from there, you can simply find a template. You need to browse the Notion marketplace for templates specifically designed around the principles of atomic habits. You can now duplicate the template as per your liking and customize it. You can adjust the template to fit your needs by adding or removing habits and goals. And you can simply use as many templates that are already pre-built in your Notion. You can also build a custom tracker and use formulas of habit completion, weekly success, and failure tracking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.